We're back on the halftime report. Bullish options traders making a big bet on American Airlines. Jon and Pete at the telestrator with more. Pete, you talk about Delta a lot.
Yep.
I know you love that one.
I do.
And they're going in heavy on American.
Now I'm jumping into this one too. I'm just following along with Buffett and some of the names he has. I own Southwest, I own United, American. Now I own these calls, and it's pretty interesting, Scott, because yesterday Delta, the news that they put out there really spiked everybody, especially Delta had a monster day yesterday. These guys are continuing today. Look at this. 2.6% move to the upside. So we are starting to see some movement out of this. And what I like is the buying that we are seeing. They're coming into these May calls and they are buying on the upside, looking at the 38 strike calls. 10,000 of those calls were bought earlier today. Now you can see those numbers. It started at 10,000, moved to 20,000, and now it's moving above that. They're very inexpensive because they're about $4 or $5 out of the money, depending on where the stock was at the time. But I think this is something where risk reward, I love it. I'd rather be in these calls than buying the stock right now because I'm not positive. AAL is going to have to prove to me they're ready to break out like the rest of the airlines to the upside. It's still the lagger in the group.
Doc?
All right. Well, let's take a look.
Up.
I've got two for you, Judge. First one is exactly what we love to follow, and that is somebody cashed in a big bet, and then they put the money back to work again. So in the case of Tesla, it's up almost $6 right now. Somebody was buying when Tesla was right around there, which has made a nice move off of that relatively recent bottom. And what are they buying today? They took the profit on those, and they rolled them into the April 315 call. So you've got just over 2 weeks before expiration, they bought these calls, 4,500 of them for about $5.20. I followed them. I'll probably be in there about 10 days. Second one, Mondelez. Take a look at this. I don't have the option volume on this one, but Mondelez just under $50 a share. They're buying the 5250s, I think, Pete. Big numbers here.
6,000 of those,
Like it, and for that reason, I bought these as well, both of them. You've got a little longer in this one because those were May's in Mondelez. I'll probably be in those more like a month.
All right.